What is up, my Winjas? This is your girl Maya, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can mash up, combine body weight exercises with animal flow and primal movement for a total body, advanced, everything up in here workout. You know I love body weight training, and you know I love ninja training. So when you put body weight calisthenic movements together with animal flow and primal movement, boom, that's where the magic happens. And when you're able to control your body like that and move like that, damn, it feels good. So for the first one, I'm gonna show you how I combine a jump squat, right? If you're not jump squatting yet, you could just do a body weight squat. But I'm gonna show you a jump squat combined with a lateral traveling beast on my awesome, massive black mat. So all this is a buildup of my beginner series. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch parts 1, 2, and 3 of the beginner animal flow series. And then come back here where we level it up. I'm gonna do a jump squat on this side of the mat, and then I'm gonna travel to that side where I repeat. This is so good for core stability. Watch that chandelier. And come back. So here you've got primal movements and you've got your classic jump squat. So if you're bored of the jump squat, if that's too easy and you want to mix it up and keep things fun and interesting, you can do that one. It's no joke. Next mash up. You guys have all seen the little toe touches they make you do at the gym and at boot camps. So I'm gonna combine the crab toe touches with the crab reach, which is so good for shoulder mobility and core strength and stability again as you try to maintain that control and that engagement in your body. So find your crab, lift your butt, belly into the spine, boom, boom. 2 touches, 1 reach. Remember, no premature reaching. Make sure you get that hip up. And then reach. Feels good. Touch, touch, reach. Man, this exercise is so beneficial. I just freaking love it. It's so simple, but it feels good. It really challenges, forgot which side I am, challenges the triceps, the core, the whole entire mind to muscle connection, and the glutes. And the hammies are like, oh, as you're up here in your bridge. All right, so how that would look in a workout is I might combine the jump squat and I would interval it with the crab reaches. Boom, you've got anterior chain being activated, posterior chain being activated, rotation, anti-rotation, stability, strength, all of that mashed up. Next mash up, I'm gonna take the classic push-up and put it together with the front kick through. So you know the front kick through is advanced. If you're not there yet, do the front step through, okay? We cover the kicks in part 3. So what I would do is I'm gonna do a push-up and then I'm gonna push it back into loaded beast and explode and take out somebody's ankle in the front kick through. Here we go. Loaded beast, front kick through. Push up, loaded beast, front kick through. Push up, loaded beast, front kick through. Now, if you can't do front kick through, I'll show you what it looks like in front step through. Push up, loaded beast, front step through. Repeat. Whew. Man, you think burpees are hard? You have not tried the push up, loaded beast, front kick through combo. Speaking of burpees, why don't we combine the burpee? I'm gonna do a chest to ground burpee with the side kick through. This one's awesome. So burpee, chest to ground, into beast, side kick through. Burpee, find your beats, side kick through. Burpee, find beast, side kick through. And repeat. Side kick through. One more. Burpee. Side kick through. Okay. It's a mashup, y'all. So, I often get asked all the time, how often do you flow for? How many reps do you do? Honestly, how many did I do? I did like 4. Look at me. So it is completely going to be up to you how many reps you do and how long you can do it for, because for me, if 4 put me in this state, I'd probably push myself to 5 and then reset and then do something else. Because I can't tell you how many reps to do if it's like too freaking hard for you. So find the range that works for you, play with it. Eventually you'll be able to do a couple more, or you'll be able to go a little bit longer. So if I were to put all these mashes up together, I would do it as a timed interval with lots of rest in between exercises. So I might do each one for 30 seconds, rest for 15 to 20 seconds, and then do the next one. So I showed you 4. 4 would make 1 round. See how you do. See if you can do 3 rounds. And then as you get really good, see if you can do 5 rounds. Like, this is all super intense. It's very dynamic and it's total body. So you gotta play with it and find what works for you. My upper lip, guys. 4 reps, yo, that's all it took. So that's it for today. This is your girl Mya. I do flows all the time, and I do a lot of animal flow, primal stuff on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me there. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter, and we have a Facebook group too for the WINJA clan. So you guys are welcome to join. Everything is under Move with Mya. And leave me a comment. Let me know, have you been incorporating animal flow and primal movements into your workout? And I love hearing from you. So stay in touch. I'll see you guys next time.